Namaste, it's me Sriram Sharma, your English teacher. My dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Global English Academy and prepare your examination. Today I am going to teach you Unit 11 from meaning to words. And the topic of Unit 11 from meaning to words is events in sequence. Unit 11 events in sequence. And particularly the use of when and as soon as. Remember, use of when and as soon as. As soon as. This is one of the most important grammar chapter that is frequently asked in the board examination. Use of when and as soon as. In fact, they are the clauses. They join the two sentences, and these clauses usually appear in the contrasting cases of the tense. I mean, usually in the past tense. One action happens after the next actions. There is a series of the action, right? And you can use when as soon as before the first action. Let us know the structure first. Okay, when, either when or as soon as, whatever. If you are asked to join with when, you use when. If you are asked to join with as soon as, you can use as soon as, no matter. So let's go to the first. So first action, right? First action you have to copy down, and second action also you have to copy down. It's given in the book, right? But remember, there are some points to remember. Note or points to remember. Okay, so you can use when as soon as at the before the first action. This is the first point to remember. Or usually you need to remove or omit. Remove. Now, and, but, sometimes immediately, right? Sometimes straightly, straight after or like that. Sometimes instantly. That comes between two sentences usually. Usually and, but or immediately. These are three connectives might appear in between the sentences, and you need to remove or you need to omit them. Okay. So the next thing that you need to remember is the very most important thing. You have to understand the time interval between the first action and second action. You need to read and understand a little. I mean, first action or second action ko bishma samay gap cha ki chaina. We need to understand, right? Yadi first action or second action ko bishma time gap cha bhane, you need to use had V3 or past perfect in the first action. I mean, if time gap, you have to read time gap, use had V3 in the first action. First action, right? Had V3 means past perfect tense. What tense? Past perfect tense. This is the second point to remember. And the third point to remember is, okay, sometimes second action, second clause, that might come without subject, right? And you need to understand, you need to borrow the subject or the pronoun of the subject from the first action. Pronoun of the subject. Yes. Borrow the pronoun of the subject from the first action. In case, right? In case of no subject. If there is no subject in the second clause or second action, then you need to borrow the pronoun of the subject from the first action. Okay, if there is he, it's okay. If there is ram, then you need to take he, not ram. Miss, once again I would like to repeat it. When in as soon as, this is very important chapter from examination point of view. That is to be learned in unit 11 in meaning into words. And this is topic is events in sequence, and you need to use when and as soon as. There are two actions, two clauses you need to join. Using these clauses, when and as soon as, they come before the first action. You have to put it at the first action, and then after you need to put a comma. Okay, then after second action. A very simple question. Use when. Now use when. Okay, when. See peeled some bananas and gave. You can write give them to the baby. Listen. Two things. There are two clauses. Look at the first clause and second clause. First clause, she peeled some bananas, and second clause, gave them to the baby. Or she peeled a banana and gave it to the baby, whatever you can say. Then now you need to use when. You have to use when or as soon as. Miss, सुरुमा केरा खोल्छाउने काम भयो, त्यसपछि बच्चालाई दिने काम भयो। भनेपछि फर्स्ट एक्सन कुन भयो? यो भयो हैन? फर्स्ट एक्सन को अगाडि के राख्नु पर्यो? when राख्नु पर्यो। Do it. Practice with. You can take out your copy and pen, and please keep practicing, keep writing while I'm instructing you here through my channel. Okay. When is there any gap between them? She peeled some bananas and gave them to the baby. See, there is no gap. A gap. You need to understand. So, banana खोल्छाउने काम पो बच्चाले दिने काम. खोल्छाउने बित्तिकै बच्चालाई दिन्छ दिँदैन. भनेपछि यहाँ के छ? टाइम ग्याप छ. If time gap is there, then what you have to use? Had with it. Or past perfect. Past perfect कसरी प्रयोग गर्ने? If she had peeled some bananas look at that. Had peeled. There is already B2. The miss in regular form ed is there, and B3 is also same. So only you have to use had. If she had peeled some bananas, then what you need to remove? Look at that first note. Remove and what, or immediately or straightly or instantly, like that. Then there is no subject. Look at that. Bob is starting from the Bob. You can see if any clause starting from the Bob, then there is no subject. And look at the third point. Borrow the pronoun of the subject. What is the pronoun of she? She. Same. She gave them to the baby. Is it okay? So it is the use of when. Now I am going to teach you another example where there is no time gap. For example, he kicked the dog and it barked. Look at that. कुकुरलाई हान्ने काम पहिलो काम भयो अनि कुकुर भोग्ने काम दोस्रो काम भयो. First action and second action. Where you have to use when? Here you have to use when. When. Don't forget to make it small letter of he. And remember that. Is there any time gap? Second point to remember should be remembered. Don't forget that. Okay, so there is no time gap. कुकुरलाई हान्ने बित्तिकै भोग्छ, right? So there is no time gap. So then we have to use what you have to use. You don't have to use had with 3 or past perfect बनाउनु परेन. Exactly same way पाइयो. He kicked the dog and end should be removed. And look at the verb. Look at the subject. Subject comes before the verb. Then you don't need to borrow the pronoun of the subject of this one. There is already it. Okay. So the answer is it. But very easy. In the same way, for example, he took a cup of coffee and asked for another cup. Look at that. He took a cup of coffee and asked for another cup. Is there time gap or not? Important thing. एक कप खायो, फिर अर्को कप माग्यो. खाने बित्तिकै माग्छ माग्दैन. Time gap हुने बित्तिकै there must be, don't forget that use of had with 3. Okay, had with 3 means what you have to do when he had took like with 3 बनाउनुस् त taken. Taken. When he had taken, then you have to write a cup of coffee and again here is no subject. He asked for another cup. Okay, like that you continue. And in the same way, here is the use of as soon as. Remember that. As soon as. Sometimes you might be asked as soon as plus past. Don't be confused. As soon as plus past perfect. This can be the question. Remember that I already told you the use of when and as soon as same. However, the question asks past means same V2, past means had V3. And when you have to use had V3, if there is time gap. Okay. For example, I wrote a letter and immediately posted it. Look at the two clauses. I wrote a letter first, posted it. चिठी लेखे पोस्ट गरे. टाइम ग्याप हुन्छ कि हुँदैन? टाइम ग्याप पक्कै हुन्छ. So what you have to do? As soon as same thing like when. You have to use had with 3. I have written a letter, comma, you have to use and also, immediately also. Here is no subject. Look at the V2 starting from V2. Then you have to borrow the pronoun of the subject of the first action. Here is I. You have to use the same I. I posted it. They saw the house and immediately like it liked it. Look at that. घर देख्ने काम भयो, मन पराउने काम भयो. When we see the very beautiful house, we like it immediately. There is no time gap, right? So in that case, what you have to do? Look at that. You must use as soon as. के गर्नु परेन? had with 3 गर्नु परेन. ओइ यहाँ चाहिँ time gap थियो, had with 3 गर्नु पर्यो. यहाँ you don't have to use had with 3. Exactly same. They saw the house. Comma, and also remove, immediately also remove. Here is no subject, so you have to use exactly they. They is there, so you have to use they. They liked it. Sometimes the last question for practice. He left the house after his breakfast. Look at that. And he left the house after breakfast. There are no two clauses. You see, it looks like a single clause. But use of after, it shows that there are two actions happened in the sequence. Okay. And breakfast, खाने काम चाहिँ पहिलो action हो, यो first action हो. यो चाहिँ घर छोड्ने काम चाहिँ second action. This is a bit confusing one. Okay. So what you have to do, as soon as खाने बित्तिकै छोड्दैन, टाइम लाग्छ हैन. 1 सेकेन्ड भन्दा पनि अब एकदमै इमिडिएटली भएन भने तपाई you need to use time gap. You have to use had with you. Okay. For example, he had taken. You can use Bob by yourself. Taken his breakfast, comma, he left the house. First, this is second action, so we put it at the last. First action, you have to understand it and put it in front, and here you have to use subject by yourself. And this is exceptional case that might come in examinations. This is how you need to learn use of when and as soon as. Remember the time gap. Okay. Sometimes how two actions happen, with time gap or not time gap, you need to understand. समय gap हुन्छ कि हुँदैन. Time gap भयो भने first action मा के प्रयोग गर्ने रे? Had be free. Time gap छैन भने you don't have to use anything. Okay, it's very easy. Thank you, namaste, and please keep watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you very much.